Hey, what's up everyone? If you've ever wished your phone could make money for you while you game, watch videos, or just chill, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down my top 5 legit passive income apps for 2025. Let's see how you can stack up some extra cash without hustling all the time. First up, Honeygain. This app lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's super passive, just set it up and forget it. You get paid for data you're not even using. Just make sure you're okay with sharing bandwidth, and always stick with the official app to keep your info safe. Number 2, ySense. This one pays you for completing simple tasks and surveys. It's not 100% passive, but it's a great way to earn in your downtime, waiting in line, or just relaxing on the couch. Third, Swagbucks Live. If you like trivia, you'll love this. Play live games, answer questions, and stack up points. You can trade those in for gift cards or even cash. Plus, it's pretty fun if you love a little competition. Fourth up, Mistplay. This is for Android users. Play mobile games, earn points, and redeem them for rewards. If you're gaming anyway, why not earn a little on the side? Finally, CashKarma. This app rewards you for completing offers and playing games. It's easy to use and cashing out is quick. Quick tips. Always read the privacy policy, avoid apps that ask for unnecessary permissions, and don't overload your device with too many apps at once. Protect your data and use a secure Wi-Fi connection. That's my roundup of the top 5 passive income apps for 2025. Smash that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of these apps. Thanks for watching.